Hello, today we be comparing the Roborock Qrevo Master versus iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Be sure to watch to the end and I will which is better. Link for the product in the description. Let's start. Section power 8000 pascals and 4000 pascals on Roborock. Next, battery life 180 minutes and 150 minutes on Roborock. Next, dustbin capacity 450 milliliters and 400 milliliters on a Roborock. Next, water tank capacity 300 milliliters and 200 milliliters on a Roborock. Next, mopping feature yes on a Roborock. Next, self-cleaning base yes draw. Next, smart navigation yes on a Roborock. Next, price higher lower on a J9. If you want more section, power and battery life and affordable price of which the Roborock Qrevo Master, the link to buy in the video description. Bye.